Good day everyone. In this episode, we're going to show you how to access data from a web page into your Power BI. Quite often you come across a website like this. In this case, we're using USA Facts, the visualizations, their COVID-19 spread map. As you scroll down, you see quite often a HTML table that looks like this. What if you actually want to extract this data into your Power BI? Can you do that? So in this lesson, we're gonna go and extract and show you how to actually do this yourself. Right, so to begin with, what we do is that we access web, and what we need to do is actually go back to our website, copy and paste this URL, and come back to our Power BI and paste this website itself. Click OK. What you see here is a pop-up table from the Power Query. It brings up saying that there's two HTML tables for you to choose from. So you can actually select the table to have a look. This is not exactly the one that we're looking for. You can select table 2 to visualize it. So this is the actual table that we want to look at. You can of course have a web view of it. So this is the first table. If you scroll down all the way down, this is the second table. So this is indeed the table that we're looking for. But again, always good idea to actually inspect the data, and here you have it. So in terms of the data, you have the states, you have the 7-day average cases. These are in number format, cases as well, number format, and deaths is also number format. So once you're happy with the inspection, you can close and apply. Okay, so the data has been loaded as evidenced by there's a table 2 here. We can of course inspect further by going into the data view, and you can actually visualize all of the data here. Now, a couple of things that you do want to do now that you've imported the data in, you can select this and convert or format the display. Okay, so these are obviously in a whole number format right now, so you can actually put select the comma. So that means that when the number shows up in the thousands, there is a comma. It makes it easier to visualize. Likewise with this, as well as with the last column here, in terms of the fatality. So you can actually see in terms of these are in millions very easily and quickly. You can actually visualize that as well. So now that you've done that, you can go on with your visualization. Don't forget to click the subscribe as well as press the bell button so that you are notified with all the new videos that I'm posting. Please do leave your queries and comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts as well as comments on these videos.